Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I forgot to get the braid pattern, so I just stopped what I was doing and just wanted to show you guys real quick how I did the braids. The hair we are using is Saga Milky Way Human Hair Standard Type Crochet in Loose Deep. This hair is not your average crochet hair. It has a band on it to help hold the human hair. Client purchased this hair on samsbeauty.com. She originally had 4 packs, and when she came back she bought 3 more. So I'm gonna show you guys how beautiful and just sexy this hair is. Okay, so when you take the hair out, it's gonna be on an elastic band with 2 separate pieces on each end. And it's kind of confusing at first, but the more you do it, it'll be easy. So first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your crochet hook through the braid like normal. And once you put it through the braid, you're gonna put your hook through the band and pull it. Pull the band, but you keep the band in, and you take the hair and pull it through the band and just pull. And you got a simple, easy loop. Okay, I'm gonna do it again for you guys. So you take your loop, pull, and pull the hair right through that loop. The elastic band, once you take it through the hook and you pull it, it's gonna make it like it's an automatic loop. So just because it's like one long piece, it doesn't mean that it's gonna be hard to loop the hair through it. Once you slide the human hair through the little elastic piece, it'll lock, right? And then it will not be loose or anything. The loop isn't going nowhere. I cannot tell you guys how much this hair feels so good. This is my first time doing a crochet install with human hair. And when I tell y'all, this hair feels so bomb. It looks so natural. And oh my god, my client, she told me about this. This is her second install, and she told me that she loves crochet, but she just wanted something that was gonna last longer, because as you guys know, regular crochet synthetic hair is really good, but like if you like washing your hair a lot and you like, you know, just oiling it and just keeping it in a little longer, this hair is so much easier to maintain than the normal crochet. I didn't get to record the back half that I installed, but this same hair and brand has the human hair with a loop already. So if you don't want to have the one with the elastic band and you just want the one with the loop, it still has like an elastic band feel, you can get that too. It's the same price. And right now I'm installing this 16-inch on the front because my client has a shaved side. So when she wants to flip it over to show off her shaved side, she wants it long to come over. She doesn't want it short because we also put a 10-inch in because she reused some of the old hair. So we have the 10-inch in the back, and I'm covering the front with a 16 and trying to like fill it all the way out with the 16 on the top so it looks fresh with the fresh curl. But yeah, if you guys want to do one length on over, you can, but I don't know if you guys noticed, but the front is just a little bit longer than the rest. This curl is so freaking pretty. My client is going to the Bahamas, and this is the perfect hair for a vacation look. Like, easy maintenance, you can get it wet, you can wash it, and on the pack it says that it has its own directions on how you're supposed to wash it, and it tells you to like use a light oil to condition his hair when you want to up the shine and just give it a little oomph every morning. Okay, so right here, my client, she really likes a side part, so I connected 2 braids to give it that side part look, but she also wants to be able to wear it straight back. That's why I just did the regular straight back look, because it's easier if she wants to put it in a ponytail, half up, half down, or just style it all to the side like she likes. So that's why I did the connected braids right here and just regular straight back all around. So when I get towards the 2 braids in the front, I'm just gonna do a regular loop. I try to do the method where you hide the knots, but it's still it's not really visible, but you can kind of see the band a little bit, even if I was to do the hide knot method, which my client doesn't mind. She says she don't care if you can see the band. It really doesn't.
Fingers down my side, girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my side, girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my side, girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your rub your fingers down.